Hello, today I have a 2010 Ford Expedition, the gate one open. So I just open it manually, like if you stick your hand behind this hole right there, just turn this to the left, then you can open the gate. So how to tell if it's the latch itself is bad or this button right here? So what I did is I unclip this and remove this two bolts. Let's see this socket number. Of course, after you check the fuses, and you can pull the fuses diagram online. I believe the front fuse under the hood is number 36 and it's 30 amp, and the passenger side is the 20 amp, the top center one 20 amp yellow one, and the bottom left you count one, bottom left you count 1 2 and number 3 is 10 millimeter, the red one fuse. You need to check this one too, so it's 3 fuses. So again, how to tell if it's the latch or this hand release or the button? So you need to disconnect this one, so this wire is going to the handle over here. So I did disconnect this. Then you come over here and lock this one manually. Yeah, now I lock it. And get a paper clip or wire, and if you connect these after you disconnect, this plug is here, so you disconnect it. So I'm gonna connect these together and watch is gonna happen to the latch, because this button is not opening. So let me show you here what's gonna happen. So look here, if I connect these together, come on. Give me 1 second, let me fix this. Let's stick one inside here. And make this. See, now it's unlocked. That's mean is this switch is bad, not the latch. That's it. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, just comment below.